First and foremost, no MLA should be handled in any wrong manner. I condemn the act, and I think the Honorable Chief Minister has taken appropriate action on the.
No, but don't you feel that then when the House has been called in session, in such things of incident, especially by the police officials to be elected, it doesn't need to be done?
Action has already been taken on them. Again, I say I condemn. Such thing can never happen. Tomorrow it can happen to me. It can happen to anybody. It has to be handled in form with respect. I think if it is told to the person in a proper way, everybody will cooperate. There is no need to resort to
no,
such...
but transfer is the solution?
I don't know. Let the Honorable Chief Minister take a firm firm action on such people who are...
What about the thing that the MLA is demanding, Girish Bergawa, especially on the 39A?
See, I believe that there was a dialogue yesterday. After the dialogue, still they have decided to go on, continue with the process. CM has said that whatever discussion will be done during the cabinet. So let us see after that our BSA meeting is there. Cabinet is after BSA. I'm not sure what is the situation.
But his demand about scrapping it.
See, when I will get information from CM, only then will I be able to make a right statement. Thank you.